Hey guys, welcome back. Guess what? Our friends at Kemi Moto sent us something. This time it's for ATV. Because the winter's around the corner. Well, actually, winter is here. And this is what they got me. So if you want to come in closer and take a look. So, this is the part number. Anyway, I'll have the description and the link below if you guys want these, and I'll check if I can get a rebate for you guys on these, and my usual rebate there with my name. So they got little battery packs. So, and they come with these USB that you can plug in. So you just plug this in here. And these battery packs can actually use, like, there's power outage and power inage. So you can actually like charge your cell phone with the battery packs. So you got two of these. And then you got these mittens here. And I guess to know which side is which. Kemi Moto written in the front. And power button here, and right here is where you plug in your battery. Let's grab the battery, plug it in. Oh, there we go. The light comes on, tells you how much percentage left on your battery, and then you tuck them in to this hole here that's zipped up. So open the zipper. Tuck these away in here, and then zip up the zipper. There we go. Come to the other side so I get a good view of this. So I see they got a Velcro here on top, and I guess because these are good for snowmobiles and everything, right? And there's you can get a hole. So if you got like my Nitros had with the guard or whatever to go over it, you can slide them over the guard and you won't affect it. And then you just close your Velcro to the point, and then you can open this up here to give yourself more space to put them on. And then just grab this cord here and basically just go over the handlebars. And I got the winch on top, and it does fit with the winch being there. And there's no obstruction. You can reach your winch really easy. So basically, these are easy to put on and take off, because all you need to do is squeeze this nice and tight at the end. So no air gets in. And then with the access, what I like to do is that little Velcro that they got, I just open it back up and throw the cord back in there, because you don't go play at this end anyway, so it's not like you're going to touch it. So the cord doesn't get tangled anywhere. There we go. And then just put the Velcro back on there really good. And that's simple as that. And then zip the zipper back down. And then turn the heat on. There's the heat. There, it's off. There. Just hold it down. Turns the heat on. So it should warm the whole inside. And that's basically it. There's the reflectors on the corners that reflects. We'll do this side as well. So just slap that on. Zip your zipper away. And then tighten your cord at the end. Use the Velcro hole to tuck it. You could always jam it in the hole at the end, but I know this way here can't fall back out. I'll grab the other battery. There's a cord per battery, so you can charge both batteries at the same time. And then, just like the other side, stuck that in here. Power on, hold it down. There we go. That's it. Oh, yeah, I can already feel the heat. So yeah, so that's nice. Won't have to wear big mittens and gloves to clean the snow. So let's go. We're gonna try this out for snow. And I know it's dark outside, but we're gonna test it out. So stay tuned. We'll be right out. Put a jacket on and a toque, and we'll be ready to go. But yeah, these are simple installation, easy access to everything, and yeah. What do you want? They're yeah. And this one's already warming, really nice and warm inside. This one is starting a little bit. But this one you can feel the heat all in front of your hands, so yeah, that's gonna be nice. So yeah, so it's probably gonna be too dark to see anything, but as you can see, the lights are on, and yeah, your hands are not cold. You don't have to wear gloves. So pretty fun. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'm not gonna make you sit around and watch me plowing snow, but yeah, these are nice and toasty warm, and everything's yeah. So yeah, I'm happy with them. Yeah, we'll see you in a little bit.